Hi, it's Mike DelSignore from DelSignore Law, and today I want to talk about what happens if you're in an accident, a car accident in Massachusetts. I can help, my firm can help, and the reason we are the best people to help you with your accident injury claim is because we go to trial. We're prepared for trial. We're known in courts throughout Massachusetts and able to present a case to a jury, to argue your point of view, to present witnesses, to have experts testify if need be, and to present the case as it would need to be if the insurance company refused to settle or refused to give the offer we deem the value of the case justifies. Now, many cases settle, but you need that threat of being able to try a case to show the insurance company that you're able to go to trial, that you're a trial lawyer in order to get top value for a settlement. The lawyers you see on these billboards, they're not known in courts. They're advertisers, they're marketers, they're not trial lawyers. That's where I come in. I've been doing this for 20 years. I've had jury trials, bench trials. I've cross-examined witnesses, presented testimony, had expert witnesses. I love this work. I like arguing for people, having their day in court, and proving the damages you suffered from this accident. You might have neck, back injuries. Possibly it's difficult for you to pick up your child. I understand that. And that's something that I want to make sure you're compensated for when you're injured in an accident. In an accident, you need to establish a liability. Sometimes there's disputes of liability. So we need to establish the other party was at fault for the accident. Then your damages. Now, how do we maximize damages? We need to show the real impact to you. We want to present medical records, doctor's reports, and things like that. That gives sort of your standard value of a case. So you have $20,000 in medicals. The insurance company is going to attribute a certain value if they credit the medicals. But we can attempt to raise the value of the case by showing how this impacts your life, what you're prevented from doing. Now, a personal injury can be the most damaging injury ever, because what do we do all day? We want to be productive as people. We want to enjoy our lives. We want to have freedom. And when you're injured, maybe you can't go to the gym. Maybe you can't pick up your child. You don't feel the same. You feel limited. And there's a value to that that should be compensated by the other party. I've been doing trials for my whole career. I'm known in courts throughout Massachusetts. I've handled personal injury cases. I've handled serious cases where I've had to cross-examine witnesses, present cases to a jury. So that's the kind of lawyer you want. And when you hire us at DelSignore Law, we're going to work with you every step of the way. We're going to present it like we're presenting it to a jury. When we present your case to the insurance company, we want to show them what we think the case is worth. We're going to show them that we are going to fight for you if they don't settle. But in many cases, we can work out a settlement that they're going to realize that we're prepared, they're going to respect our reputation, and we'll be able to get you fair value for your case. Many of my clients have been with me there for various matters. When I'm your attorney, I want you to be your lawyer for life to help you with any legal problem you have. So if you're in an accident, call us right away. Sometimes there's things we need to do. Make sure you document who's involved in the accident. Begin medical treatment if you're injured. You don't want to say that you're going to fight this off, or you need to go to the doctors if you're hurt. Otherwise, the insurance company doesn't credit your injuries. So if you're injured, seek medical attention, because sometimes these injuries can appear later, and so you want to take care of it now. Common injuries from an accident include sometimes people get concussions, knee injuries, back injuries. These all seriously limit your ability to enjoy your life. And I want to make sure that ability to enjoy your life is compensated and eventually restored. Certain medical doctors we could recommend, hopefully, to get you back on your feet sooner. But when you're in an accident, you need a lawyer that is known in court, that can fight for you for your case, that's not a marketer, that is a trial lawyer that knows how to cross-examine a witness, how to present a case to a jury so the insurance company you're dealing with respects you and gives you full value for the case. I've been doing this for my whole career. I'd be happy to help you. Reach out, my personal cell, call, text anytime, 781-686-5924. My name's Mike DelSignore, here to help you with your accident injury case in Massachusetts.